is Friday.
Okay.
Oh gosh, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Alisha. I can't with him. Anyway, got the hubs today. If you new aren't here, I am on a journey of living simple, earning smarter, and enjoying life's golden moments along the way. So normally this would be my evening to go out to do DoorDash or Uber Eats. Primarily it's been DoorDash, but me and the hubs are currently renovating and I need to come see. These people just walk, they don't pay attention. You're very dumb. Very dumb. It's like you see cars coming.
Okay, you want them.
That's okay. They've seen other videos and we're talking about people.
We don't mean to call people dumb.
Yes, I do.
We love everybody.
If you've not seen other videos, I've said old lady bats driving crazy and people digging up their nose, flying to red lights. But anyway, so needless to say, I will not be going out tonight for delivery, but I have to go with the hubs to Lowe's and Home Depot. Currently in the process of renovating, so I need to get some, well babe, the hub is getting myself is not, but drywall primer. I gotta get some paint samples because I gotta finalize. Oh, here I got the primer, but we gotta get shower tile, and the hubs is like, hence that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna take you guys along the way, but I do gotta stop and just do a few errands. But yeah, I don't know. He's been in some of my videos. Probably can't really see him because of the angle, but yeah. So it's me and the hubs this evening running around doing stuff for the house. And it's coming along. But anyway, you all, I'll see you guys at Home Depot and at Lowe's.
He's waving at you. What you can do?
You know.
I don't know him.
But I don't know you. Oh, that's it's the 24 by 24. So, looking to go with this for the shower wall. 12 by 24, and there's 8 pieces within each box. So this one here.
Hey.
All right, homie.
How you doing?
All right. What you doing? Spacers. Let's see. do the all white porcelain. Did you? Oh. So, what are you looking at?
I'm done.
Oh, I thought you were looking at a different tile. So these are, oh, that's $360. Oh, that's kind of more. That one's more. Oh, this is ceramic. I was looking at porcelain over in the next tile. So, but this size is nice. But that changes everything. I don't know. Now I'm thinking about it's not that many options for porcelain, white porcelain. I don't like that too. I thought they had more options for like for all white porcelain. Alright guys.
Don't forget this. Y'all should have witnessed the argument that we just had before we tried to
Change
get
your
on camera.
plans. Change your plans. So originally I was gonna get like a polished white porcelain
Okay, guys.
polished white porcelain tile for the shower, but I feel like if you clean it, I feel like that will eventually come off. So I want to go with matte. Sam says we can do a luxury vinyl waterproof on the floors in the shower. I really don't feel that would be durable. I feel like we need to do a porcelain tile in the bathroom. So anyway, y'all, this is what I'm thinking for the bathroom floor. It's porcelain tile, but it has like a wood look. And then this for the shower wall. So I think this would really look good. I like this as compared to the polish. So Sam, I would like to go with this. Since you're doing the shower, let's go with this for the shower.
Okay. You sure? You
Yes.
did change like 20 times.
I'm sure. I feel like it needs to be matte. That looked really good with the gold accent. And then this would be good. Because you kind of have a little luxury with the little marble effect
Like you're
and then
convincing
natural.
yourself.
No, I'm convinced.
Okay. All right.
Those are long, so you probably just need to cut it down, but you don't even need to have. You won't need to have that many pieces.
Yeah. You're right. And it just goes the wrong way.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's go over to here and get 4 boxes.
5.
5 boxes?
Mhm.
I thought you said 4.
4.40, so it's more than 4. So 5.
Yeah, so she actually talked to me with the cameraman. See?
Anyway, y'all.
Contractors, be careful for your floors.
Whatever. So, y'all, now I'm looking at that dark wood right there, the shed cappuccino. I kind of want that in the I might want that in the bathroom, because the rest of the floors are going to be like a light wood. So, I'll show you guys what we were originally going to do. Because I want a little luxury, a little fancy, but not you know, just a bit, not too much. So we were gonna, yeah, we were originally gonna do the shiny one, but no, not that one. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes. I think he was meaning to get one of them heavy duty, whatchamacallits.
Look at this.
No. You see the scratch on that? No. Alright, guys. I should just give you a piece of the tile.
What's that?
So you could. Anyway. Yeah. So let me know what your thoughts are. So like I said, I know all the rest is going to be light color wood, but I kind of might want to do a darker wood in the bathroom. Like light wood, luxury vinyl. Planks, like in the living area. And then maybe a dark porcelain just in the bathroom. I don't know yet. So we'll see.
What do you want for your trim?
White.
So this?
Where do they have beige? Oh.
Hmm?
Oh, that goes about just, yeah. Looks like it's, oh yeah, that goes like perfectly, because it's not too white, it's just like an off-white.
Okay, so I need 2 of those.
What's the difference between, oh, are those more expensive? Why, because it's metal? What, one's is metal and one's what?
One's,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh yeah, who's spending $33 on that?
Yeah, but I mean, you don't need it to be metal. Because that just goes
Yeah,
into,
that's pricey.
it goes into the mortar.
Just so it has like a clean,
Yeah.
straight line. Those are the same colors.
Yeah. Look good.
Alrighty. Alright, y'all. I'm in Home Depot now. Try to settle on paint colors. No grays. I like this soft paint. That works. $121 between Tuesday, Thursday, and today, Saturday, because I did not go out yesterday because